Hey, Bernie dog.
I'm Dimitri, I'm Bernie's nanny.
Have you got your nanny with you today, huh? I haven't ever heard of anyone with a dog with a nanny. It's the first one for me. Dogs are really social creatures. They need humans. So I get lots and lots of really doted on pets, and I love that. What's wrong with you today?
Well, I think he maybe got bitten by Victor.
Oh, no.
Bernie's got a best mate in the wolf pack, and they're always constantly pulling at each other. Now, he's got an abscess underneath his neck there from all the rough play.
Oh, Bernie. Come on, let's go have a look at you.
Cool. Come on, young man.
Dimitri thinks that maybe there's been some kind of an altercation. Come on, you guys. So could be there's some kind of a wound there. Do you know much about his history?
But I know that he was a rescue dog in California, so she got him from a shelter.
Let's just give him a bit of a check over first. I know, Bernie dog. Don't worry.
Good boy.
What's this one here? So now you take him to the park.
Yep.
You're his full-time nanny.
Yep.
And it'd be like having a whole class full of primary school-aged children.
It's worse.
Really?
They're faster.
So we can't really see very well just because he's such a furry little dog. We're going to actually clip up that area and we're going to give it a good clean so we can get a better look as to actually what we're dealing with here.
Nurse Francesca will be assisting Kate.
And you can see he's quite anxious, so I'm trying to sort of reduce his anxiety as much as absolutely possible. I know it hurts, Chuka. I know it hurts.
It's okay.
So unfortunately, dogs don't know that what I'm trying to do here is actually help him.
It's all right, Bubba.
I know, darling.
It's okay.
I know, darling. Poor old Bernie, I know that he might find clipping a little bit distressing, but I do need a clear view of that wound. He just feels like this is really sore.
It's okay, look. There we go. Just relax. Oh, that looks sore. It does, doesn't it?
I can't yet tell exactly what's caused this wound, but I can see that it's infected. There's a whole bunch of pus underneath that skin, and it can be really painful. This is obviously by the hour really getting worse, and you can see that Bernie's very distressed about this. If left untreated, this infection is just going to enter the bloodstream and Bernie is going to become one sick dog.
It's not good, is it? Oh, it's stressing.
Just take that off.
At the Bondi clinic, Kate and vet nurse Fran are examining a nasty skin infection on Border Collie Bernie's neck.
I know, sweetheart, I know it hurts.
In reception, Bernie's dog nanny Dimitri suspects the wound might be the result of rough play with another dog in his wolf pack.
I say the culprit's Victor because those two play 90% of the time together.
Now I've got a clear view of Bernie's neck. I'm able to see that there's not a bite mark and there's no wounds there. It means that Bernie hasn't been bitten by Victor. What we actually call this is a pyotraumatic dermatitis. That's also known as a hot spot, an area of infected skin that's really hot and really, really distressing for animals. They often happen around the collar. It's very, very painful. In Bondi, I usually see this in swimming dogs, dogs that love the water. It's usually caused from moisture, getting underneath the collar and rubbing.
Well done, sweetheart.
So I'm just giving it a really good clean, and we're going to actually start Bernie on some antibiotics, and we're going to get Bernie to not wear a collar for a little while. No collar and no swimming, Bernie. It's a very good thing that they came in this early. If it was left, this infection would just continue to get worse and worse and worse. Would have been a surgical job. This is going to be a little bit sore for Bernie for the next couple of days, but luckily, rescue dog Bernie is not going to need surgery.
Almost done. Almost done.
You know, he's obviously very anxious and this is obviously really sore for him, and he's been such a good dog.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here, Bubba. Sit.
Good boy, Bernie.
Bernie needs an antibiotic injection, and then he can be reunited with nanny Dimitri.
Well done.
Hey! How you going,
Glad to
buddy?
see you.
Thanks, Kate. How is
No
he?
worries. I just wondered, is he a swimmer?
Yeah.
Right.
He loves the water.
So what often happens with these dogs, and obviously being a beachside practice, we see this a fair bit.
Right.
It's going for a swim and then the collar's like rubbed and rubbed and rubbed. It's ended up in a skin infection. But if he keeps going in the water, it's not going to get better.
So definitely no water for a week.
No water. Got pills to go home with. You've got some cream to put on.
Yep.
Twice a day.
Yep.
And the less amount of collar time, the better.
He's so well behaved, he doesn't need the collar, so that's good.
So good. I know. We're friends again.
Okay. You ready to go? Okay, here we go. Thank you, Kate.
See ya.
No, thank you so much. There we go.
Kate will be checking up on Dimitri and Bernie in a week to make sure they're both following doctor's orders.
Good boy, Bernie. Come on. Come on, Victor. Good boy, Bernie. Come on, guys. Come on.
In Bondi, busy dog nanny Dimitri has been following Dr. Kate's orders, keeping Bernie away from water so a nasty infection on his neck can heal.
Come on, Bernie. Victor. Victor. It's been a week since Bernie saw Kate at Bondi Vet, and he had that skin infection, and he's been back in the pack, but I've been keeping out of the water. It's hard because he loves it so much. Hey, Bernie Boo? I'll wait to see if Kate gives him the all clear today.
Dimitri.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi, Kate. This is the
Hello,
wolf pack.
Bernie. Hello, my love.
I think the injury's almost healed.
Let's have a look at it. Bernie, can you sit down, mate? Such a good dog, aren't you? Bernie's such a good dog. Dimitri, this absolutely looks beautiful. Bernie's skin looks amazing. It's healed a lot better than I expected it to heal in such a short amount of time. All that's left now is to let him get back in that water. Come on, everybody. Come on, Victor.
Come on, Ben. Come on.
Looks like these guys have an absolutely outrageous time. Good to see him back with his bros, really.
No more restrictions for you, buddy.
Good boy.
Oh!
Hi, I'm Dr. Danny. If you enjoyed this video, then please remember to subscribe to the Bondi Vet YouTube channel. Click on the screen now to continue watching more great content.